Welcome to Prime Slider. In this video, we're excited to showcase the powerful white label feature. With white labeling, you can fully rebrand the plugin inside WordPress, rename it, change its icon, and hide original menus, making it feel like your own product. It's perfect for agencies and developers who want a clean, professional, client-focused experience. Ready to elevate your brand? Let's begin. To begin, sign into your WordPress dashboard and locate the Prime Slider tab on the left side of the screen. Once you click it, you'll enter the redesigned Prime Slider dashboard, which serves as the control center for all features and settings. From here, move into the Extra Options area. This section includes a collection of advanced tools designed for developers and agencies, including the highly valued white label feature. Before the white label tools become available, your license must qualify for this level of customization. Only specific license tiers include access, such as the agency and developer packages, the extended license, or the AppSumo lifetime deal. If you are currently using a basic personal package, the white label settings will remain locked. In this demonstration, the personal license is active, so the feature is initially unavailable. To enable white labeling, the current license must be deactivated so that a suitable agency package license can be activated in its place. Once that updated license is active, return to the white label settings inside the Extra Options area. Here, you will see that the feature has now unlocked, opening the door to the full suite of branding tools. At this point, the customization phase begins. On the right side of the screen, you will find a switch that activates white label mode. When the switch is turned on, additional fields and settings appear, allowing you to fully brand Prime Slider. The first setting is the white label title field. This is where you can replace the Prime Slider name with your own custom brand. For this walkthrough, the new title will be Pixelcraft, creating a unique identity that appears throughout the dashboard. Just beneath that, you will find the option to upload a custom icon to replace the default Prime Slider menu icon. Selecting the Upload Icon button allows you to choose an icon file from your device. Once uploaded, the icon becomes part of your plugin's new branding and appears in the WordPress sidebar along with your custom title. Immediately after this option, you will see another field to upload a custom logo to replace the Prime Slider logo shown in the admin header. With the Upload Logo button, you can insert a brand asset that fits your preferred look and style. A little further down, there is an option to hide the license menu entirely. It includes another switch on the right side of the panel. Turning this option on removes the license tab from the WordPress dashboard whenever white label mode is active. This helps keep the admin panel clean and prevents clients from seeing unnecessary or sensitive license information. Once your branding is in place, save your changes using the Save White Label Settings button. After the changes are applied, you'll notice that the plugin now displays the Pixelcraft name alongside the custom icon you uploaded, and the license menu is no longer visible. The interface now looks fully personalized and ready for client use, giving the plugin a polished, agency-grade identity. There is one final setting in this area that takes white labeling even further. This option is called the BdThemes Core Hide Constant, and it includes another switch that fully conceals the Prime Slider interface from the WordPress dashboard. When this mode is activated, the plugin continues to function behind the scenes, but all dashboard menus related to it disappear entirely. Once you enable this option, a warning message will appear, letting you know that the dashboard elements will be removed and that re-accessing the plugin will require a special recovery link. Thankfully, the system automatically sends a secure access link to the email address associated with the license and to the primary WordPress admin email. When you confirm the action, the dashboard displays a message stating that the Core Hide mode is enabled and that the recovery email will be sent. Saving the white label settings one final time applies the changes instantly. You are then returned to the primary WordPress dashboard, where you will see that the plugin has completely vanished, exactly as expected. To restore visibility, simply check your inbox for the recovery email. Clicking the secure link will take you right back into the white label dashboard. Make sure to switch off the core hide option and save your changes using the Save White Label Settings button. This is the complete process for using the white label feature to transform PrimeSlider into a fully branded tool, creating a seamless, professional experience tailored to your clients and your business identity. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay up to date on the latest features and tools. Thanks for watching.